We'll continue the problems on block diagram reduction techniques and signal flow graph. Draw the signal flow graph. Given diagram consisting of four resistors, Laplace transform of the given network is input will be V1 of s, output is V0 of s, and currents are I1 of s and I2 of s. So signal flow graph for the first the equation is I1 is equal to V1 minus Vi minus V1 into 1 by R1, and second one is V1 is equal to I1 minus I2 into R2, and the third one is I2 is equal to V1 minus V0 into 1 by R3, and fourth is V0 is equal to I2 into R4. So overall signal flow graph is as shown. In this diagram there are two forward paths. First one is T1 is equal to R3 R4 divided by R1 R2, and T2 is A R4 divided by R1. Various loop gains are L1 is equal to minus R3 by R1, L2 is equal to minus R3 by R2, L3 is equal to minus R4 by R2, L4 is equal to A into R3 divided by R1. One combination of two non-touching loops, that is L1 L3. Therefore delta is equal to A1 minus L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus L1 L3. All the loops are touching to all the forward path. Therefore delta 1 is equal to delta 2 is equal to 1. V3 by V1 is equal to T1 delta 1 plus T2 delta 2 divided by delta. After simplifying, V3 by V1 is equal to R3 R4 plus A R4 R2 divided by R1 R2 plus R3 R2 plus R3 R1 plus R1 R4 minus A R2 R3 plus R3 R4. Obtain the transfer function V0 of s by Vi of s. So by using the Laplace transform, first equation I1 of s is equal to s into c Vi of s minus s into c V1 of s. Then I2 of s is equal to 1 by r V1 of s minus 1 by r V0 of s. V1 of s is equal to r into I1 of s plus r into I2 of s. And also I2 of s is equal to sc into V0 of s minus sc into V1 of s. Hence the signal flow graph is as shown. The forward path gains are T1 is equal to SCR, and T2 is equal to 1 by SCR, and T3 is equal to 1 by R into 1 equals 1. Various loop gains are L1 is equal to minus SCR, L2 is equal to minus 1 by SCR, L3 is equal to minus 1. The L1 and L2 are non-touching, therefore L1 L2 is equal to 1. And the system determinant is delta is equal to 1 minus L1 plus L2 plus L3 into L1 plus L2. Therefore delta value is 3SCR plus S square C square R square plus 1 divided by SCR. For T1 delta 1 is equal to 1, all loops are touching to T1. For T2 delta 2 is equal to 1 minus L1, as L1 is not touching to L2. So 1 plus SCR. For T3 delta 3 is equal to 1, all loops are touching to T3. According to the Mazans-Gain formula, V0 of s by Vi of s is equal to T1 delta 1 plus T2 delta 2 plus T3 delta 3 divided by delta. Therefore, V0 of s by Vi of s is equal to S square C square R square plus 2SCR plus 1 divided by S square C square R square plus 3SCR plus 1. Obtain the overall transfer function of a given signal flow graph. So in this only T1 is equal to G1, G2, G3, G4. So K value is 1. Three loops are L1 is minus G2 H1, L2 is minus G3 H2, and L3 is G1, G2, G3, G4 and minus H3. No combinations of non-touching loops. Therefore C of s by R of s is equal to delta 1 T1 divided by delta that is G3 G2 G3 G4 divided by 1 plus G2 H1 plus G3 H3 plus G1 G2 G4 H3. The system block diagram is given below. Find C of s by R of s if n of s is equal to 0, and second part is C of s by R of s if n of s is equal to 0. Third part is C of s by n of s if R of s is equal to 0. So first condition is n of s is equal to 0. N of s is equal to 0. The block diagram becomes, so 10 into s plus 1 divided by 1 plus 10 divided by s into s plus 1 into 0.5 s. Therefore 10 divided by s square plus 6s. So that the two blocks are replaced by 10 divided by s square plus 6s. Then shifting Next step, if we see the summing point, we are shifting the summing point before s plus 4 block. So again the reduced block diagram is written. Therefore assume output of the second summing point is x of s. Therefore E of s is equal to R of s minus C of s, and C of s is equal to x of s into 10 into s plus 4 divided by s square plus 6s. X of s is equal to E of s plus 3 divided by s plus 4 into R of s. Substituting the value of x of s and R of s from equation 1 and 2 in 3, we get C of s by R of s is equal to 10 into s plus 7 divided by s square 6s minus 30 when n of s is equal to 0. To find C of s by R of s, we have to reduce the block diagram, solving the minor feedback loop and shifting the summing point to the left as shown in the figure. So shifting the summing point, by exchanging the two summing point, so we can write this one as now parallel 1 is parallel with 3 divided by s plus 4. So minor loop is g divided by 1 plus ga, that is 10 into s plus 4 divided by s square plus 6s divided by 1 plus 10 into s plus 4 divided by s square plus 6x. So now after reducing, both the blocks are in series. Therefore C of s by R of s is equal to 10 into s plus 7 divided by s square plus 16s plus 40. With R of s is equal to 0, block diagram will become the block of 3 will not exist as R of s is equal to 0. Similarly, first summing point will also vanish, but note that negative side of feedback must be considered, as it is true the summing points get deleted. So instead of summing point, we are replacing it by minus 1. So now 10 divided by s into s plus 1 and 0.5 minus s plus 4. Two blocks are in parallel by adding them with the signs. So minus of s plus 4 minus of 0.5. After simplification, it is minus 1.5s minus 4. Removing the summing point as the sign is positive, no need of adding a block. So number summing point, so we are getting this one as minus 10 1.5s plus 4 divided by s into s plus 1 minor loop. Then C of s by R of s is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 15s plus 40 divided by s into s plus 1. So C of s by n of s is equal to s into s plus 1 divided by s square plus 16s plus 40.